Leaving a group text on Android is possible, but how you do it depends on what type of group text you're in. I'll show you both ways to do this. First, I'll pull up a group text on my phone. When I look towards the bottom of my screen, I can see what type of conversation this is. Your messages are either using RCS or MMS. These are messaging protocols that determine what features are available in the conversations. RCS is the modern standard, and any group text that's using RCS will give you the option to simply leave the group. I can tap the group name up top, and from this page, I'll simply choose Leave Group. This part is kind of confusing because after leaving the group, the thread stays on my phone. I won't get any new messages, but I can still see the thread and all the previous activity in it. If you want to get rid of it, you can tap and hold the thread, and then hit the trash can icon on the top of your screen. So that's the easy way. But sometimes you'll have a group text like this. It's using MMS, which means that someone in the group has a phone or a carrier that doesn't support the newer RCS messaging. And because it's using MMS, there's no way to simply leave the group. With these kind of groups, you have a few options. You could go to the group settings, for example, and under Notifications, silence the notifications and make sure app icon badges are toggled off. With these settings, you'll still see new messages come in, but you won't get alerts for them. There's another thing we can do, and this is honestly the better option. Snooze the whole thing. I can tap Snooze Chat, and then change the duration to Always. With this, I get no notifications, and then conversation gets grayed out in my Messages app. Unfortunately, even though there's no notifications, new messages will still display in the Messages app, but having the conversation grayed out helps to filter it out so it doesn't get mixed up with new messages that you actually care about. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.